Assalamu alaikum. Well, here I have this on tap event and I want to create a route over here, and in this route I want to pass a screen, and as I click on somewhere on this page I want to go to a new screen. So I would be passing a screen from this on tap event. Remember, we are not going to pass any ID or random data, a screen or any kind of Dart class. Okay, so that's what we want to pass. Let's see how to do that. Well, first I'll come to my route file over here. So I have defined all of my routes here, and if you want to do like this, just go ahead and create a route class. And for this map, for this string, I'll create a getter. Okay, so I have this string ready and I have a getter for this string. So this returns a string over here. Now over here inside this list of get pages, over here I'll define my route. So here I want to create a get page with a certain screen name, and I'll supply string and a screen for it. So let's see how to do that. So we'll do get page, and here we'll have name, and the name should be this one, the one we already created, pick map. And now over here we'll have page. Now inside this I'll have an argument. Okay, now here is the argument that I want to catch, get.arguments. Get.argument, this is what I want to get. Now whatever the arguments you're passing, that would be here, and then I'll create an instance of this class pick map screen, which is this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that, and I'll call it pick map. So this is the screen actually that I want to pass from here. As I click on this on tap event or a button, so I want to pass this screen from here, and as I click on this, then that passed screen would be grabbed over here inside this get.arguments. Then I would just simply return pick map. Okay, so all we need to do right now from here, we need to pass this screen as an argument. First I'll have get.toNamed, and inside this I'll call a route. Now this route is the route that we have defined over here, get pick map address, which corresponds to this one over here. Anyway, so we'll come over here. So now we are passing this route. So as I pass this route would eventually correspond to this get page. Now all we need to do, we need to pass a screen, which is this one, as an argument, because remember over here we are picking up a screen or a Dart class. So to do that, I'll just simply go ahead and do this argument. So now over here you see carefully, so I'm using get.toNamed, so I'm sending the route name, and at the same time inside this over here I'm sending this pick map screen as argument. So as I send it, it would be grabbed over here. So now over here I put a log, and after that I'll restart everything so that we'll see what's going on. And as I click on this button, which is this on tap event, I'll be able to say this print message, and that would verify that as we pass this argument and pass our screen as argument, it works. Okay, so now the app booted up, so I will come over here and I'll click on this. Now if I click on this, I'm supposed to see this one. Let's take a look. Yes, so yes, we see going to a new page. So this is the log. So yeah, that's how you pass screen as arguments, and it's pretty simple. Thank you.